In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital sticker using Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva is a versatile design tool that's excellent for both seasoned designers and beginners. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, look for the custom size button on the main dashboard. Clicking this allows us to set our design dimensions manually, offering flexibility to create exactly what we envision. Next, a crucial step is to change the unit of measurement from pixels to inches. This is especially important if you plan on printing these stickers later on. To do this, find and click on PX and select inches from the drop-down. Now that we have the right unit, let's set our sticker size. Type 3 in both the width and height boxes to create a perfect square, which is ideal for stickers. You'll want your canvas to be 3 inches by 3 inches. With our dimensions set, click on Create New Design, which opens up a blank workspace tailored to our specified size. The next thing you'll want to do is head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Elements, followed by Graphics, which provides you with numerous design components like illustrations and icons. From here, browse through the graphics and select the one that best suits your vision for the sticker. Drag and drop your chosen graphic onto the canvas and position it as you'd like. It's as simple as dragging your mouse and dropping images directly where you want them. After you've placed your graphic, click on it to activate the edit options on the top menu. Choose shadows to give your sticker some depth, making it pop visually. Once you're satisfied with the shadows, find the outline option and click it. Adding an outline will help define your sticker's shape. You can change the outline's color by clicking the color icon and selecting a shade that complements your design. The size of the outline can also be adjusted by dragging the slider, allowing you to customize its appearance. Finally, to save your creation, click on the Share button located at the top right of the screen. From here, click on Download. Make sure to select Transparent Background so your sticker can be used seamlessly on any background. Once everything looks good, hit Download once more. Now you've successfully created a digital sticker using Canva. You can use it for social media, planners, or even print it out if desired. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you enjoyed learning the process of making stunning stickers with just a few clicks. Stay tuned for more creative tutorials and tips. Happy designing!